So everybody, I caught something in our trap when we were hunting. I caught a beautiful blue jay, and it broke its beak, and it has a bit of blood on it. And if we turn it over, we have these claws. Very, very sharp, but they're hard to see. And it just got caught in a marten trap when we were hunting, so we just took it home. So we're gonna bury this in a grave, and if I get enough likes and subscribes, I'll show you where it's buried. Like and subscribe if you feel bad for this blue jay. R.I.P. Blue Jay.